What's up? Just trying out this stabilizer here. I figure can make some cool videos of some of the cars out there. You got a pretty badass one. Maybe yours could be the first feature. Fancy you're covering one out there.
No, I didn't bring the white one today. I brought a 300 SDL black car.
Yeah, it's a shame you don't have anything swaggier. Just kidding, it's badass. How about we take a look at that one? Could I look inside it and film it?
Yeah, go ahead. I just gotta take care of something
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Man, the myth, the legend.
No, I don't know about that.
Grant West. So, Grant has this 300 SDL. Beautiful.
Take it all the way up.
Nice.
Hold on 1 second. Yeah. All right.
So as you guys can see, those hoods go up to 90 degrees. So you can get in there and work on them better. This is a 3-liter OM603 engine. It's an inline 6 diesel producing 148 horsepower. Is that right? And this is the W126 class. This 300 SDL has that yachty long body as compared to this 300 SD right here that's got the more stout build.
Still a 126 with shorter wheelbase.
126 with a shorter wheelbase. This is one of my favorites. They're troublesome in that they can be expensive to repair, but I love the R107. This is a 380 SL. But Grant here has taken a little bit of a time out of his day, so thanks to Grant for showing us his car, giving us his time. Man, even that thermal top is fresh and protective, and usually I see those things, they're just rotting away. Is that replaced by you, or?
That was the previous owner.
Previous owner.
Yeah.
Man. And is that odometer original? Still
That's
working?
all, yeah. The whole car.
Nice.
It's one owner from Iowa.
Beautiful. To close this, do we need to, or does it just go?
It'll unlock. You hit one of these.
Awesome.
Hit that right there.
Okay. There it is. Boom. Ladies and gentlemen, the 1987 300 SDL OM603 W126 by Mercedes Benz. We love the turbo diesels. We love Grant. We love Dr. Benz. Thanks, Joe Atherton. Thanks, Dahmer Benz. Grant West and his 1987 300 SDL. This thing is a beautiful tank. It's a turbo diesel. Grant got me really into these diesel machines, and I was just looking on the side door there, and they manufactured this one at the end of 1986. So it was sold in the 1987 model year. I'm just putting this back as I found it for our good friend Mr. West here at Dr. Benz in Olive Branch, Mississippi. You guys can get really affordable Mercedes Benz care here, and I'm telling you, these guys know classics. You don't want to wear that ignition down, so those tumblers will get stuck, and so veteran people like to keep their keys in, not aggravating that tumbler, and you hear that key in the ignition buzzer because he's left those in there, doesn't want those teeth getting eaten up. It's also the same for the steering lock. So a 40-year-old vehicle here. This was a 1987 release. The 1987 Mercedes-Benz 300 SDL Turbo. And this is one hell of a car. I love turbo diesels. These are just incredible machines. And my friend Grant here has been so kind as to let us check his out today. It's just got gorgeous paint. I love this gunmetal that they did. And so we'll move it out real quick. We'll take the cover off and we'll just pull it forward, let you guys hear the engine, see this car and appreciate it, and we'll tell you a little bit about it. That pedal acted up again once. Yeah, I haven't swapped it out yet.
It'll have all your codes on here, your store codes of what was wrong, and we cleared those out. So, it's a fun day out there.
It got beautiful.
Very much so. I'm so
I was lifted up by it today.
right.
Grant, is it okay if I set this tripod up and pull your car up 10, 15 feet? Just for the... All right, let's pull it forward. SDL. This thing is a tank. Let's take a look inside. Okay. So as you guys can see here, this bad boy was made in 1986. It's the 1987 model year. And the 300 SDL is a really badass car. It's an S-Class. It's a diesel. And this is the long body. I'll show you in another example over here. We have a 80s 300 SD. These Mercedes all have different naming conventions that can be a little confusing, but as you can maybe see here, it's a little bit shorter, this long body. On the other hand though, pretty pimpin' with its very yachty presence. So let's just take a quick second to appreciate this car. This is an immaculate condition. This paint is gorgeous. It's one of my favorite colors for Mercedes. And I just think it's very elegant, classy, while also being tough, practical. As you'll see here, these are serious machines. This car has 232,000 miles on the odometer. That odometer is original and still working, but these things can go for 1 million miles if you maintenance them properly. Everything in here is about as mint as it can be. Original radio. Grant has a collection of really beautiful cars. You guys will be seeing some of them. He has ignited my passion for the diesel Mercedes. And so let's pop this hood real quick and take a look underneath there. I'll let you guys see what this looks like. Here it is. So with these diesels, as you lift, you'll see right here a little piece of merging. So as that emerges, that's what you want to get. These cars were made so that you could work on them. As you can see, there's plenty of space in here to get around. These cars, I've worked on them a lot myself, and I don't know shit from Shinola, so if I can do it, you can do it. These cars just hold up like cockroaches do. There's not much that can wear them out except for salt, rust, and negligence with oil changes. This car could really not be better kept. Can you imagine 237,000 miles on this thing? It's hard to believe. Beautiful alloy rims, I guess, at the time. These were a very big deal. I think they're made of a hardened aluminum. I could be talking out of school here. Let's close this up. The 1987 Mercedes Benz 300 SDL. So this bad boy has a 3-liter inline-6 diesel engine producing 148 horsepower. You can see here it has held up well. It's a 40-year-old engine, and this thing runs better than most modern cars, and it sure is in better shape than most of the cars that I see on the road today. Shout out to Grant. Shout out to Dr. Benz, Joe Atherton. Thanks for letting me use your car today, bud.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, but you ignited the flame of my diesel passion, and now you got a crazy supply for me to film and showcase. So let me know when I can take a look inside your white 300D turbo diesel.
I don't let nobody look inside my white 300D.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's the 1987 300 SDL. I hope you guys had a great time watching this. I'm Thomas Ogg here at Dr. Benz. See y'all next time. Grant protecting it from the sun here with the sunshade.
Being major dorky.
And you leave the keys in there while you're here just because you don't want to wear out
The steering
tumbler.
lock, yeah.
The steering
I
lock,
figured.
tumbler.
Better to not have to replace that if you can avoid it.
Yep.
That just means you can come steal the car at any time.
I think I have seen a couple of firearms around, so I think people
And the good part is those are so slow that if you stole it, you could probably catch it. Right?
Yeah.
Until the turbo kicks in real well.
Yeah. They would also not be in the most inconspicuous ride, huh?
Yeah. A little wild.
Yeah.
Can't sneak up on people.
Can't stay out of
A cheating man can't drive a turbo diesel.
An honest man, ladies and gentlemen. Grant.
Can't cheat on your wife and drive away.
Oh, speaking of at Dodges, I saw a plate. The girl was backing up, almost hit me. It said, "Wasn't me," like the Shaggy song.
Wow.
Like, I was like, is this girl just saying she's a cheater?
He's a cheater.
Watch out, folks. I told a story about a cheater this morning. We won't say it on video, but hey, take care, man. It was fun. Hey, thanks for your help. That was really cool. Dude, I love it. It's giving me some trouble. I got to replace the brakes. I got to do some things, but I figure I'll make a video of it when I can afford it. Peace out, Grant.
Peace out. Thomas Ogg!
Woo! Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it. Tune in next time. Dr. Benz.